It is a free water service that is in conjunction with the Charm City Circulator, and it runs from Canton, Tide Point, and Fells, the Maritime Museum, to get commuters and people around the city of Baltimore. So we were just talking to a gentleman who used to commute to Bethesda and lives here in Locust Point, and now he takes the boat every morning from Tide Point over to Fells Point and walks about a mile, so he doesn't have to park in a parking garage, he doesn't have to commute. He actually said he now has 2 hours extra in his day. It is free. It is free to ride Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. It runs from Tide Point and Fells Point every 15 minutes, and then it runs to Canton on the half hour and the hour.